Trackpads are shortcuts to tap and slide through different documents on your laptop. They are pretty much the alternative to your mouse, but with some more features. While using a mouse needs your full arm, the trackpad lets you surf through your computer with ergonomic ease. Among all the trackpads of other laptops, MacBook can give you the most impressive user experience. But what makes it stand out compared to other brand laptops? In this video, we will talk about the features of the MacBook Trackpad that gives more comfortable and convenient usability. So without further ado, let's get started. The trackpad of the new MacBook Pro 2020 model is bigger and better. It gives you enough space to toggle through the laptop and move the cursor from one corner to another. Previous trackpads used to have a glassy material covering the trackpad, which you won't find with the present generation MacBooks, yet the trackpad is super responsive and instantly responds to your touch. With the Precision Touch design, the trackpad gives an immersive experience while using it. Using this trackpad is much smoother compared to other laptops' trackpad. You can quite easily switch between apps and tabs with the trackpad. The trackpad comes with multi-touch gestures. For instance, you can use a single finger for clicking and normal surfing, dual fingers for scrolling up and down, and triple fingers for swapping apps. It makes sure you can keep on going with your work, assuring full productivity. You can also zoom in and out quite easily with the trackpad. There are some more useful gestures, such as bringing down the notification center, display the launchpad, mission control, swapping to different apps full screen, and many more. Even with so many functionalities, the trackpad performs excellently and never feels like it's lagging or having latency. Nevertheless, many other laptops' trackpads offer almost the same features and performance, yet MacBook's trackpad stands out from the others. That's because it's smoother than them. Once you get used to this trackpad, there is no coming back. You won't feel the same comfort with other trackpads. Moreover, Windows laptops' trackpads have various issues and they seem to lag while using. They are not as responsive as the MacBook's trackpad. Talking about gestures, all the MacBooks have the same kind of gesture functionality. So once you know which gesture performs what task, you can use every MacBook's trackpad available. But this is not the case for other laptop brands. Their gestures might vary from one brand to another and even on different models of the same brand's laptop. The MacBook's trackpad has an excellent build quality and it is quite rare finding the touchpad not working. But even if it does get non-functional, you can easily replace your trackpad within $20, which is not even a big deal at all. And that is pretty much it for the MacBook's trackpad that delivers superior and smooth performance. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.